Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I'm going to show you everything. How I do my hair, how I do this makeup look, jewelry, a little bit of nails. It's a get ready with me. Ever since I've lightened my hair, a lot of people ask me what products am I using now, because obviously my hair has been through quite the process lately. I was trying to get to a certain color. I am still not there yet. So my hair, it's in the process of transforming into a cooler tone blonde. But for now, this is what I'm working with, and I'm going to show you the products that I use to maintain a healthy hair, and I'm also going to show you how I blow dry it. Anyway, I'm super happy with the way this look turned out. Lipstick is transfer proof, so I can wear a mask without problems. Okay, stop talking. I'll let you guys see how I've created this makeup and hair and jewelry and everything. I just got out of the shower, but I did my skincare and my body care in the bathroom. Let's get to the hair section. You already know my love for this Aquis hair turban. Fantastic. Absorbs the water from your hair so much faster than the classical towels. The product that has literally saved my hair. It's been this one. I wish it wasn't this expensive. It's the Hair Ritual by Sisley Restructuring Nourishing Balm. I've used it 2 times a week for the past 4 weeks. It is a mask for the hair that you're supposed to apply the night before. So basically what I do, I apply this all over my hair. I make sure I put on a good amount, right? And then I braid, and then I go to sleep and I let it sit throughout the night to like really nourish the hair. I wake up, I wash my hair, and the difference in my hair is fantastic. This is the lightest I've ever been in my life. There are parts of it where it's more like beigey blonde, but then here in the front it's very yellow. On my damp hair, I use the Olaplex number 6, the Bond Smoother. Another really great product. I use number 6 and number 3 from Olaplex. Number 3 is the product that you use before you wash it. Number 6 is like a styling product, and I think it also protects your hair from the heat. So I just apply it, especially through the length. And then I also apply 1.5, well, I guess it's 2 pumps of this Moroccan oil treatment. This is the light version. I used to apply less product, more like 1 pump, but now I do 2 pumps and I don't feel my hair greasy at all. And again, I just go through the lengths. What this product does, obviously hydrating the hair, but also protects the hair from the heat. What's left on my palms now, I'm going to focus it just on the end, like so. Now I'm going to use a brush to spread the product. When I style my hair, I would typically use this guy. This is the Dyson Airwrap, and it has this accessory that really gives you volume, but it also gives you like a little bend at the end of the hair. I'm not gonna use this one because honestly Dyson is so expensive, and I'm not saying it's not worth it or anything, but I think that for the hairstyle that I'm gonna do right now, you don't need to have the Dyson. However, I'm gonna use it just as a normal hair dryer because it's here. Now I'm gonna section the hair. Get this side up. And then I bring all the hair forward, and I use a round brush and just classic hair dryer. I've been drying my hair like this since I was in the first year of college. This is loud, so. I do this to my whole hair. I take small sections, just enough so that, it covers the brush. And the only like special thing that I do is in the front, and I'm gonna show you once I get there. All right, so I've dried almost my whole hair, but then this part on the middle, I like to dry it backward so that I have some volume right here. I don't like volume on the sides of my head, but I do like a little bit of volume right here. I place the round brush under, and then Now the fringe, I always dry it inwards. Okay. Like so. And now I take just this section in the front and I sort of dry it on the side. I'm gonna take this part one more time because it looks weird right now. Place the brush under the piece of hair. Okay, and I don't know if you could see, but the hair still has beautiful shine and it feels like it's healthy. It doesn't feel like it has been going through all the processes that it has. Last step is the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. I apply this at the ends only, about this much, and just add. This adds shine to the hair. It hydrates the hair, of course. All right, now hair is out of the way. Just gonna twist it and put it under my sweater. Now we're getting into the makeup look. Makeup Forever Dullness Eraser. This is a new primer from Makeup Forever and it's good. You guys, it's good, good, good. I'm going to apply it on half of the face just so you could see what this primer does. So it has this yellowish tone. It doesn't feel like one of those moussey primers, that's silicone-y primers, not. It feels more like a hydrating cream. I totally see a difference, especially look around the eyes. Honestly, I think I could get away with this product only in days when I'm in a rush because it just evens out the skin tone. Fantastic. Ladies, look at this glow. Huh, gorgeous? Haven't used this foundation in forever. This is the Nars Sheer Glow. And if you're wondering how come I haven't used the new foundation from Nars, it's because we don't have it yet. I'm using the color Stromboli. I want to get my skin a bit darker just to match it with my chest. Actually, Stromboli is too dark for me, you guys. I had to mix it with Fiji. Stromboli and Fiji. This is the color. Yes. It's the closest to my skin. It's still a little, like a pinch darker. I'm gonna apply it with this Misa 01S brush. I love this foundation. I've always loved it. This is very hydrating and it has great coverage. It's been among my favorite foundations for a very long time. When it comes to foundations especially, Nars has amazing products. Skin is looking impeccable. I almost forgot what it's like to wear this foundation. You see, all these launches are making me want to test like new products and new products and new products, when in fact, there's nothing wrong with old products. They're amazing. Let's do the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer because I haven't used this in a long time. I'm gonna be using this 021 brush from my Cuticle. This brush is great for concealer, but also for cream bronzer. Refer 19 brush and Hourglass Lighting Palette, and I just mix all the colors together, but I always take a little bit more of this golden one at the end. And then I just what I love about this powder is that you could apply it directly after you've put on your foundation because it's not going to stain your skin. It's not going to look muddy. It's just a beautiful, beautiful glow. Look at this. And then of course, and on the brow bone, I always do that. Time to set, and I will make sure the concealer is not creased under the eyes. You guys, I've been loving this powder. This is the Soft Focus Hydrate and Set powder from Jouer, and this is the translucent one. It's so nice. I'm gonna take it with this Misa one brush. This brush comes in a set, but all the brushes from the set really worth it. So I take some powder and get it under the eyes. I feel like with this powder, it won't just mattify the skin, but it does a great job on blurring the pores. So I'm gonna use it on the center of the face right here. And is it just me, but also like it brightens? Like you could totally tell that I've applied it under the eyes and on the chin. I have no idea what I'm gonna use for the makeup, so I'm just gonna move on with eyebrows. Maybe I will feel inspired after this step. Gucci pencil in the color 4 brown. You wanna brush it through. And then 24-hour brow setter. Some people ask me why, if I like the new brow freeze from Anastasia Beverly Hills, why don't I use it? So that product, you have to apply it on bare skin. And it's a look, it's like a certain look, which I'm not going after every day. For my everyday looks, this is the best eyebrow gel out there. I know I want to use this lipstick because I really like this color. It's from Il Makiage and the color is Matte Melody. And it's one of my favorite formulas. Really, really pretty. It's the type of color that I don't really use all the time. But today I was thinking, okay, let's just get out of that warm tone situation and let's do this. Every single time when I want to do a stronger lip, I do the lips first and then I figure out what I want to use on the eyes. If you really want to use a lipstick, like a certain color of lipstick, and you start with the eyes, by the time you get to the lips, you might be thinking like, damn, like now it's not working, you know? I'm going to use this Makeup Forever pencil. This is an Endless Cacao. This color is so special, it really works with everything. If you press too hard, it's going to be like very, very dark. And then sort of spread it with your finger. It has the most amazing cool tone nude. Now, Matte Melody from Il Makiage. I'll take this Misa 015S brush just to spread the lipstick. Bodyography sent me these liquid eyeshadows, and you guys, they have the most special shine. The most special shine. Look at this. It's a very thin formula. The one that you don't feel it, it doesn't crack. I'll use this one in the color Citrine. I don't like the applicator. I'm gonna take the product out on the back of my hand. And Misa 12S brush. Yes. Okay. Okay, okay. Let me get it on the inner corner as well. You know what? I'll apply it on the lower lash line as well. Have you seen any eyeshadow as pretty as this? Because I haven't. This is really, really special. Where were you my whole life? Let's curl the lashes. I'm using the Shiseido eyelash curler. I'm running low with my Sweet Pro Lash Lift mascara. I can see that we're going to an end right here. this eyeshadow with mascara. Love. I want to use this Hollywood Flawless filter as my highlighter. So this is the type of product that you could apply before and after foundation as a highlighter or like to shine from within. And I'm going to take it with this brush from Kat Von D and just adding it right here. Perfection is this product. Perfection. Last thing is this Minimalist Whipped Powder Blush from Shiseido, and the color I'm going to use today is Ayao. And I'm actually going to take the same brush. If it mixes with a little bit of that highlighter, it doesn't bother me. So I'm just going to load the brush. This is the color. And then higher and more on the sides of the cheeks. I love this look so much, like beyond. I've started to film this, it was very late, but now seeing the result, I'm happy that I didn't drop it. I wanted to really quit in the middle of this video. I was like, it's just not my day, but I'm happy that I've continued. I love how these colors look on me now. You know, with the lighter hair, I think it's like working so well. Now let's decorate. This is how I say when I need to put on jewelries. I'm like, let's decorate. This is new necklace from Cinco. I'll show you in a second. Love this necklace. Listen, jewelry changes everything. Like when you're starting to add jewelry, even if you're wearing like a black or a white shirt, add jewelry just immediately becomes like expensive looking. And this has the infinity sign. It works with these. I wear these all the time, and I also wear this bracelet. This is also new from Cinco. You have 15% off at Cinco with my code. I love this bracelet. I've been wearing it all the time. Even when I work out, I go to sleep with it. I never take it out. And all these letters come from Andrea, Alex, and Alfie, of course. Then I also love this duo bracelet. It has silver and gold. Really love it because I have my wedding ring that is white gold, so I think it works great. And then I'm also going to add this necklace. Have I ever showed you this trick? So I always have this cuticle oil next to me. If I don't have it next to me, I will never use it. But before I start my video, I take this oil that has a little brush. I'm going to try to find something similar with this because I bought it from a shop here in Paris. So basically, I just do a little swipe on the cuticles. And this way my nails look good all the time. So I do a little massage, just like they do when you go to the manicure salon. You know, I show my hands a lot, so this trick really helps me because I always have my cuticles very dry. And look, the color on my nails right now is Oppi Tiramisu. Now let's take you back and see the whole look. And this is it, you guys. This is the final look. I'm so happy that I continued. I had a bad day today. I was just not in a good mood. But this is just another video that proves makeup can change your mood 100%. Alright ladies, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below and let me know what you think about this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I can do this because it's not going to transfer. Can I please have a glass of water? I feel my lips sticking on my teeth. You see? I'm transforming. I guess it's straight. I'm a mini version of my dad. If I touch my hair one more time,